Where would you like to send it? It'll cost you 190 yen.
回答例
I'd like to send this letter by airmail.
Where would you like to send it?
To Paris. How much will it cost?
It'll cost you 190 yen.